Now, setting up to do our first job, we've got a piece of aluminium in a vise sat on the bed at this stage. We're going to use our back corner and the top for our work coordinate system. So the first thing we'll do is we'll call up our touch probe, just tool 10. It'll put away the tool that's currently in the machine. We'll say yes, move to manual position to put the tool changer in. Loosen the drawbar. Clamp it. And then we'll go and check the length. Now we jog over into position. We sit the pointer just above the Z where we want to measure it. We'll do a simple probe in Z and we'll save the values. That defines the top of our part. Then we'll move back to the corner. And we want to be about 4 mm below the part. Then we'll select our probe on page 2. We want to probe a corner, and we want to probe the back corner, which is this one here. Length or distance to travel, so we'll take 20 mm, enter, and 20 mm in the other direction. And we want to zero the probe and we take account of the two diameters. So we'll start. And we're there. So what we can do after we've done that, to verify it, if we go to 0, this will go to X, Y, 0 and Z at the top of its travel. Now that's placed exactly over the centre, so the ball should be in the centre of that corner. We can jog down and test that. And it is right over the centre where we want it to be. Next we would go and load, go to our main screen, we would load a file. And we'll just pick any file. And you'll notice here at the start of the file it says what tools we're going to use, and then you press cycle start once you had all your tools set in the tool changer. Now because we don't have these tools in the actual tool table. So we have a look at our tool table and our details. I've only got tool 2, 3, 4 and 5 assigned to the slots on the table. Any number outside that will ask us for a manual tool change. So if we went cycle start now, it will ask for tool 12 to start off with. Put tool 12 in. And then I'll do a tool length check of that tool. So we'll stop that there because this program is not for this machine and it doesn't want, it's not going to do 18,000 RPM. So we'll cycle stop, and if we assume it's going to call tool 2 next in the G code, we'll tell you when to unload the current tool. We'll go and get the tool that's in the tool slot 1, which is tool 2. We'll go across and check the tool lengths. I'll just pause at the X, we're not going to run this job. You'll notice here at the top of the screen, there's M31 setting, H2 tool offset, set to -4. If it was different to the last time I did measure it, it'd say set offset from -3 to Z -4, and it'd tell you that it was off. And you'll then, if it was the same tool, you'd want to check to make sure you never, if this number was wildly different, you can get the machine to stop if the error's above a certain amount, or you can go and check, maybe you've got a chip on your tool setter, you can take the appropriate action. From there the job will continue on. It'll do that tool 2 in this case, and it'll go to its next tool. If it's not in the tool rack, it'll ask you to put it in. If it is in the tool rack, it'll grab it out. And then you're ready to go.